How do you choose the right colors for a room with white walls?
Welcome to this tutorial on how to choose the right colors for a room with white walls. White walls can act as a blank canvas, giving you the flexibility to play with different colors in your furnishings, decorations, and accessories.
What is your color personality?
Your color preferences play a crucial role in determining the right colors for any room. Are you someone who likes bold and bright colors, or are you drawn to softer, more muted shades? Do you enjoy a monochromatic look, or do you prefer contrasting colors? Answering these questions will help you understand your color personality and set the direction for the palette.
What mood do you want to create?
The mood you want to set in a room is a big factor in your color choice. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow can create a cozy, energetic vibe, while cool colors like blue, green, and purple can make a room feel calm and serene. Neutral colors like beige, brown, or gray can provide a balance, especially when combined with other colors.
How will the room be used?
Understanding how the room will be used can help in choosing the right colors. A bedroom might require calming shades for a restful environment, while a study room might need more energizing colors. A living room can have a mix of both to create a balanced ambiance.
Consider lighting.
The amount of natural light a room gets can also influence the color choice. If your room gets a lot of natural light, darker shades can work well without making the room feel small or gloomy. For rooms with less natural light, consider lighter, brighter colors to help make the room feel more spacious and inviting.
Experiment with different colors.
Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors. Try different combinations of colors with throw pillows, wall hangings, rugs, furniture, and see what works best for you. Remember, this process is about creating a space that feels like you. Choosing the right colors for a room with white walls involves understanding your color preferences, considering the mood you want to set, the room's function, the natural light it gets, and willingness to experiment. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules. It's all about creating a space that you feel comfortable in and love to be. Enjoy the process of transforming your white-walled room into a reflection of your personality.